The Sanyukt Kisan Morcha has finally announced that it is going to suspend the farmers' agitation going on the borders of Delhi, and the withdrawal of the morchas will begin from December 11th. We are joined by Yogendra Yadav, who had played one of the crucial roles in the Sanyukt Kisan Morcha. Sir, the date has been announced. In what way you are going to withdraw, how the morchas will be withdrawn, because it took almost a year to maintain the morcha in this form. What is going to be the strategy?
Well, we have announced that on 11th, we shall celebrate our victory and start withdrawal of all the morchas. We wanted to do it on the 10th, but that happens to coincide with the day when General Rawat and other soldiers would be cremated. So we postponed it by a day. On 11th, all the morchas, that is to say, all the morchas on the national highways in and around Delhi, all the morchas around toll plazas throughout the country, all the dharnas, all various kinds of morchas, all of these would be lifted. It will of course take time. If you've seen Tikri border, you know it will take 5-6 days for us to even get up and leave. But yes, we are beginning that now. And through you, I would wish to offer my sincere apologies to all the people in and around Delhi and all over the country who had to suffer last 1 year. I know it was difficult. I know you may have been hurt, even angry at times, but you have contributed to something historic. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Because you have mentioned this fact that there were problems that people faced during this agitation, I want to also understand from you, when you use terms like that, we are suspending the Andolan, we are not ending the Andolan, right? So there is a threat, fear that you could re-trigger, reorganize and start the Andolan in this form again, blocking the road, the streets of Delhi or the borders of Delhi?
I think because people are not used to Andolans and their languages, but some Andolan Jivis are used to that language. When we say Andolan continues, it means that farmers' issues are alive, farmers' grievances are real, that in some form or the other, we shall have to continue our struggle. It does not mean that we would repeat these morchas. This was an extreme act done when we faced an existential threat. I'm sure we don't, at least I can assure you, we don't plan to do this again in 3 months or so on. This is not something you do every month or every year. This was once in a history kind of a thing which happened. No one designed it. We did not design to occupy the national highways. It happened. There is clearly no plan to repeat it, but in some form or the other, farmers will have to continue their struggle. The issue of MSP is alive. All we have gained through this struggle on MSP is a foothold, no more than that, and a self-confidence, which is very important. But this struggle is alive. The fear of electricity bill is also real. Ajay Mishra Teni still continues to be member of the Union Cabinet. All these issues are there. We shall continue our struggle, but for some time, we are suspending everything.
What is going to happen on January 15th? What kind of reviews is that going to be?
Well, representatives of farmers will sit together. We will review. The government has made many promises to us. So on 15th of January, we meet to take stock of how far those promises have been fulfilled and whether we need to take on some action. That is also to be followed by a lot of political activity about which Kisan Morcha needs to take its own stand. And we need to decide how to continue the MSP battle. The government's MSP committee would also be constituted, announced by then. So all these issues will have to be settled then.
Okay. One last question, sir. I had asked this question yesterday as well. The question remains there, the confusion remains there. What about Mission UP, Mission Uttar Pradesh? Is Sanyukt Kisan Morcha going to withdraw Mission Uttar Pradesh call as well?
No, we have not withdrawn any call. On 15th of January, we would take stock. And as you know, that is certainly before the Uttar Pradesh elections. And we would see what kind of a call we need to give about that as well.
Are you suspending it for the moment, Mission Uttar Pradesh?
Well, those farmers who are protesting against Ajay Mishra Teni, they will not stop protesting. Many activities will go on. But the idea of putting the entire energy of the morcha in Uttar Pradesh right now, that is not happening for some time.
Thanks. That was speaking to us. So that was Mr. Yogendra Yadav speaking to India today after the Sanyukt Kisan Morcha's announcement that they are going to start withdrawing their agitation from December 11th. That is the announcement made by the Sanyukt Kisan Morcha at Singhu border. And the point to be underlined right now is that the Sanyukt Kisan Morcha's call for Mission Uttar Pradesh is, in a way, there's no call on that whether to withdraw it or not, but the farmers and the groups, activists in Uttar Pradesh might continue to fight. That's what Yogendra Yadav is saying, fight to ensure that people behind the Lakhimpur incident are brought to justice. With video journalist Ankit Khandelwal, this is Amit Bhardwaj for India Today from Singhu border.